Welcome back to another episode with Miss Hine. We are going to go to one of my favorite places, the lake and the pool. So I love the sun. Here in Texas, the heat is for me. I'm from Pennsylvania, so I hate the cold, and this is where I should have been my whole life. So I'm going to show you lots of fun stuff, but first we have to make sure we do our math from Thursday, July 10th. So on July 10th, we left our episode of the zoo, and we talked about whether the birthday party or the zoo was cheaper. So we finished all our math for the zoo, and then I gave you all the numbers for the birthday party. So let's see if you were correct first, and then we'll go out to the pool, okay? So let's look at the next one. 2 times $4.78. Who's that knocking at my back door? 5 or more, I raised the score. So $4.80 times 2. Remember, keep your decimal where it is. Line them up. 2 times 0 is 0. 2 times 8 is 16. So with the 6, I carry my 1. 2 times 4 is 8. Plus 1 gives me 9. So it's going to be $9.60. Now let's rewrite the number so we can add them all up. So we have, when I'm adding my numbers together, I don't like, especially when I have a big list like this, I don't like to put that big list. I like to break it out into little pieces, okay? So I'm gonna take all my whole numbers first. So I've got 27, 50, 80, 5. Those are my whole numbers. So I have $27, $50, $80, and I'll cross them out as we use them. $5, and those are the numbers we use so far. So let's add these together. Zeros, we know these is all zeros. Bring down our decimal. 7 plus 0 is 7. 7 plus 0 is 0, or 7. 7 plus 5 is 12. So I put my 2, and I carry my 1. 2 plus 1 is 3. Plus 5 is 8. 8 plus 8 is 16. So I'm at $162 just for the whole numbers, okay? So I'm going to actually erase the ones I used. This way we have more space. Erase, erase, okay? Now I'm going to take the ones that go out to the tens place. This way I don't have so many numbers to add together, okay? So I'm going to take 1890 plus 1980, okay? I'm going to add those together. 0 plus 0 is 0. 9 plus 8 is 17. Carry down my decimal so it's in the same spot. Carry my 1. 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 plus 9 is 18. 8, carry the 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. Plus 1 more is 3. So I have 3870. Okay? Now I'm just going to keep adding my double numbers. If I would have wrote them all, we would have had to look at a bunch of numbers. Let's just keep adding. So we already used 1890 and 1980. The next one is 1180. 1180. So we're going to add 3870 plus 1180. 0 plus 0 is 0. 8 plus 7 is 15. Oh, I need to carry my zero, or my decimal point. Carry my 1. 8 plus 1 is 9, plus 1 more is 10. I put my 0 and I carry my 1. 3 plus 1 is 4, plus 1 more is 5. Oh, I forgot a whole number. Why didn't you tell me? Here's $10, so let's add that over here. $10. And so I have 0 plus 0, carry down my decimal. 2 plus 0 is 2, 6 plus 1 is 7, and 1 plus nothing is 172. Let's keep going with the tens place, numbers with tens place. So I have 2630. So I'm going to add the 2630, and I have 0 plus 0, 5 plus 3 is 8. Bring down my decimal. 0 plus 6 is 6, 5 plus 2 is 7. So I'm at 7680. Now I'm going to use the last number, which is 1780. And those go to my tens place. My tens place. We're going to add them together. 0 plus 0 is 0. 8 plus 8 is 16. 6, carry my 1. Wait, I forgot to bring my decimal. 6 plus 1 is 7. Plus 7 more is 14. 4, carry my 1. 1 plus 7 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. 9460. So far, I have this number and this number to add together. But now I'm going to take the numbers that do the ones place and add them together. And they're kind of already lined up, so I'm just going to use it like that. So I'm going to add these together. 0 plus 0 is 0. 9 plus 5 is 14. 4, carry my 1. Oh, forgot my decimal point. 3 plus 1 is 4. Plus 2 more is 6. So I have $6.40. I'm going to move this number up so I have some room to figure out my answer here. And so I'll erase that number I just used. I'll put an addition sign and I'll cover it up. Okay? So 0 plus 0 is 0. 4 plus 6 is 10. 0, carry my decimal down, and then carry my 1. 6 plus 1 is 7, plus 3 more is 10. So we're at $10. Again, I want to move up that 960 so I can keep it kind of in order here. 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 6 is 6. Carry my decimal down. 0 plus 9 is 9. 1 plus nothing is 19. No, 1 plus nothing is 1, which gives me 1960. I'm going to add that 360. 0 plus 0 is 0. 6 plus 6 is 12. 2, carry the 1. Oop, I forgot my decimal. Keep that decimal place. 9 plus 1 is 10. Plus 3 more is 13. 3, carry my 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. And my final number to add is $3.90. 0 plus 0 is 0. 9 plus 2 is 11. 1, carry my 1. Oh, I forgot that decimal. Find it up. 3 plus 1 is 4. Plus 3 more is 7. And then 2 plus nothing gives you 27. Okay? 2 plus nothing gives you 2. 2710 is your total number. So I took all my whole numbers. I took all my numbers to the tens place, and then all my numbers to the ones place, and add them together. So now we're going to add these 3 big numbers. It gives us less room for error if we break it down a little bit, okay? So I know I have to have $172 is my first number. So I'm going to erase this. 172 plus $94.60. I'm going to get that answer, okay? 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 6 is 6. Keep that decimal place. 4 plus 2 is 6. 7 plus 9 gives you 16. 6, carry my 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. So we're at $266.60. But we have to add in this. So plus $27.10. So let's erase this now, because we already did this. 0 plus 0 is 0. 6 plus 1 is 7. Carry our decimals down, keeping the decimal place. 6 plus 7 gives you 13. 3, carry my 1. 6 plus 1 is 7, plus 2 more gives you 9, and 2 plus nothing is 2. So for her birthday supply list, it comes to $293.70. So I think we were correct. The zoo was cheaper. Now we want to see how much cheaper. So if you can remember, the zoo cost us $165.90 for all 6 of us to go to the zoo. And we said the zoo was cheaper. That's what we decided, and it came out to be correct. Let's see how much cheaper it was. So we're gonna subtract now. So 0 minus 0 is 0. You can't subtract 7 from 9, so you gotta borrow from the 3. You'll turn this to a 2 and carry your 1 over here. So now you have 17 minus 9, which is gonna give you 8. Remember, line up those decimals. Now you have 2 minus 5. You can't take 5 from 2, so you gotta cross this out, make it an 8, and bring over your 1. So now you have 12 minus 5, which will give you 7. 8 minus 6 gives you 2, and 2 minus 1 gives you 1. So the zoo was cheaper by $127.80. So almost the cost of the zoo times 2 almost gives you the birthday party. It's just a little bit more if we multiply it by 2. So we made a good choice going to the zoo. So this year, if you don't go have a big birthday party because we're social distancing, you're gonna be just fine. You're saving your parents money and you're having a good time and learning something. All right, now let's get ready for the pool. Ready? Without paper, 21 times 7. 21 times 7. 147. 11 times 9. 7 times 7. All right, so now we're at the pool. This is one of my favorite things, float on a noodle. Miss Hines not very tall, so she likes to float. Not such a great swimmer. My kids are better than me. All right, so how do we stay sharp during the summer and still have fun? No one wants to keep working. So if you remember, there's about 20 questions. We call it wildcat facts or wild facts. And your wild facts are really hard that first test because all summer long you didn't practice. So you can still practice as long as you're having fun. And this way it doesn't feel like work. So one of our favorite things to do to practice is you have to answer a question before you jump into the pool. So I'm going to show you our questions, and then I'm going to give you 2 minutes. Okay, so I'm going to bring you closer to our questions. Ready? Oh, too close. You can't see all of them. So I'm going to give you 2 minutes. You don't have to write these on a piece of paper. You're just going to write the answers. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 20. So get a piece of paper, number it to 20. Okay, so I think you have about 2 minutes. Now, I might be wrong, it might be only a minute, but I'm pretty sure it's 2 minutes. You have 2 minutes to fill out all the answers. So get ready, I'm gonna put a timer up for 2 minutes.